Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to beat Garten of Banban. First, familiarize yourself with the kindergarten layout and your primary goal, escaping. You'll need to explore thoroughly, collecting various key cards and essential items that unlock new sections of the facility. Always be aware of your surroundings, as the monster characters are constantly patrolling. Your best strategy is often to hide or run when spotted, conserving your health. As you progress, you'll encounter numerous environmental puzzles designed to test your observation skills. These often involve finding specific items or activating mechanisms in the correct sequence. Remember to utilize your drone. It's invaluable for reaching areas you can't physically access and retrieving crucial items. Always read any notes or documents you find, as they frequently contain vital clues for solving the next challenge. Surviving in the Garten of Banban means understanding the unique behaviors of each monster. Some are fast, while others are more methodical. Your primary defense is stealth. Try to move quietly and stay out of their line of sight. If you are spotted, don't panic. Immediately run towards a known safe zone or a hiding spot like a locker. Quick reactions are key to escaping their grasp and continuing your mission. As you near the end, ensure you have collected all the required items, as the final sequence often demands them. Be ready for a climactic event, which could be a final confrontation with a major monster or an intense chase. Pay close attention to any on-screen prompts or instructions during this phase. Successfully navigating these final challenges will lead you to your escape and complete your journey through the Garten of Banban.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.